Hello friends, my name is Addins. Welcome to all of you in official Excel YouTube learning channel of Mars Training and Solutions. Today I will teach you how to extract quarters from a valid date, either it's financial year or calendar year. Normally we write complex functions for this, but this is possible using simple functions. I'll show you how to pull calendar year quarters or financial year quarters in simple way. I'll also teach you how to extract quarters using some Addins functions by just passing one parameters. Let's proceed for it.
I will show you example. Let us go to Excel sheet first. This is my Excel sheet. These are few dates. We want to retrieve quarter against these dates. So I will type here. Suppose I want to retrieve first calendar year quarter. So I say heading quarters. Suppose calendar year. In short I am writing CY. In short form I am writing quarters. So I will write here a function called choose. How to go to wizard? I would recommend you to go to wizard to understand functions in better way. So to go to wizard, after writing function name, equal to function name open bracket, you can click on FX or you can click Control A. When you click on Control A, you can jump to wizard of that functions. So I am in the wizard of choose functions. First parameter is index number. Choose function return a value. It returns a value from list of values based on index number. Let us say I am typing here a function month. If I say month month of this, as you know, month function returns month has a number of date field. So I am here typing month of A2 means it will return you a number from 1 to 12 because 1 is January, 2 is Feb and so on. So month function returns you number between 1 to 12. So here the index for this function will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we are returning, this month function returning 12 numbers 1 to 12. So based on that I am specifying values for these functions. So calendar year means what? Jan, Feb, March is quarter 1. So suppose I want to have here quarter 1 means 1, and I want to have 2 means quarter 2, 3 means quarter 4, 4 means quarter 4. So first 3 index, if I say month of A2 and that is January, means will return 1. If that is February, will return 2, and if that is March, will return 3. So first 3 index I want to say here 1 because these are quarter 1. So I just type in value 1 1, again 1, again 1. Why I am typing 1 1 1? Because in first parameter, which is index number, month of A2, A2 is date here. So if it returns January, 1, or if it returns 2 February or 3, so month will return you 1 to 12. 1 means Jan, 2 means Feb, 3 means March. So I am saying for first 3 index 1 1 1, and then next 3 index 2 2 2, then next 3, first 3 means Jan, Feb, March, next 3 means April, May, June, and then next 3 is July, August, September. So I want third quarter, so I said 3 3 3, and next 3 would be 4 4 4 4 4 4. So finally I am mentioning here 12 values first three 111. So I am saying to choose functions to pick numbers from values. So in the case of January, February, March, whenever month function returns you a 1, 2 or 3, if it is 1, index is 1. So suppose A2 is January here, it will return 1. So we'll just pick 1 from value. Suppose A2 is February, we'll return 2. So I mean index is 2 now. So we'll go to value 2. Again we have 1 because even Feb is 1 quarter, first quarter. If A2 returns you 3, we'll go to third value. Again 3 means March, means first quarter. So I am mentioning value 1, 2, 3 as 1 because we know first three index of month functions are if it is Jan, Feb, March, then I am saying 1, 1, 1. Okay. Similarly, if it is April, May, June, so I want to say 2, 2, 2 because April, May, June is second quarter for calendar year. Okay. So if I go to then next three, I am saying 3, 3, 3 because I know month functions first three return is 1, 2, 3. Then next three is 4, 5, 6. Then next three is 7, 8, 9, and last three is 10, 11, 12. So accordingly we have mentioned their values as per index. Choose function picks the values from list as per the index number. In index number we are given month functions, and month function returns 12 numbers between 1 to 12 based on the date. So index of month is what? Yeah, I mean return type of month is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 index of month functions, and based on this 12 index, if the index first index is 1, if that index then pick 1 from value. For second index it will pick next value, value 2. For third index it will pick value 3, and fourth index value 4, and fifth index value 5, and so on basically. So idea behind of this is whenever month function returns an index, it will pick value from the list of value. So we have placed quarter numbers accordingly. We want calendar year quarter here, so we know month function first three return is 1, 2, 3. For that we have placed 1, 1, 1 because 1, 2, 3 is what? 1 is Jan. Month function returns 1 means Jan, 2 means Feb, and 3 means March. So for that we have placed 1, 1, 1, 1. And then again month function returns fourth index as 4, 5, 6. 4 is April, 5 is June, and 5 is May, and 6 is June. For that we have placed 2, 2, 2 because April, May, June comes in second quarter. And again 7th, 8th, 9th index of month function is what? So 7 means what? July, 8 is August, and 9 is September. These are third quarter of calendar, so we have placed 3, 3, 3. And then 10th, 11th, 12th argument of month function is return type of month function is what? Is October, 10, November, 11, December means 12. So I have placed accordingly. So when you click OK, it will just pick, see, index from the values of list accordingly. If I see this is 1st Jan 21, so of course it comes in first quarter of calendar. If I double click to fill it down, you can see it is just for reference. It is just giving you correct quarters. See, these first three are quarter 1. Just I highlight it with some different color, and these are quarter 2. Calendar year quarter 2 I'm talking about, not the financial year. Just different colors I'm putting just to make it more clear. And this is again third quarter, if you see, and this is last quarter. Similarly, if you want, I just say undo. I want here quarters now as quarters financial year. Same function. I will go choose. You know how to go to wizard, control A, or you can click on FX. Same, I will say here month month, and this month function, month of this A2, this month function returns 12. I mean index 1 to 12. Already I have explained you. So what we want, if it is a Jan, Feb, March, so month function returns 1, 2, 3. First index is 1, then 2, then 3. So Jan, Feb, March is fourth quarter of financial year. So I say 4, 4, 4, so that when it returns 1, 2, or 3, so for first 3, I am going to put 4 because Jan, Feb, March is fourth quarter of financial year. And again, fifth, sixth, 7. So first 1, 2, 3. I mean, this is Jan, Feb, March, going to be fourth quarter, April. So April, May, June, going to be the first quarter. So I said 1, 1, and 1. You can see. So I am saying if index number of this month function is 1, 2, 3, then if it is 1, we'll pick 4. If it is 2, index number of month function is 2. When it is 2, if it is Feb, again I am saying pick 4. I'm fourth quarter, I mean 4. If month function returns 3, I am saying again 4 because Jan, Feb, March are nothing but fourth quarter of financial year. When month function returns 4, I am saying 4 means what? April. I am saying pick 1. When I month function returns 5, I mean May. I am saying pick 1. I mean first quarter. June. I mean when month function returns 6, it is June. Again the I mean first quarter. And then I am placing if it is July. I mean when month function returns 7s, then I am saying pick 2 from values, again 2 for August, again 2 for September. So when index number, what is index number now? Month function. So when month function returns what? 7, 8, 9, I mean July, August, September, I am just saying for this is July, August, September, just pick 2, 2, 2 because these are second quarter of financial year. When month function returns 10, 10 means October, month of, if month function returns 10, that is October. So I am saying third because October, November, and December, these are third quarters of financial year. So in this way we have placed choose function now differently. I mean, so this is first parameter of choose function, and this is nothing but index number. So based on this index, choose function will pick list from values. So index is the month of date parameter. Month function returns 12 numbers from 1 to 12. So there are 12 index of month function. So if it is January, we return you 1, Feb 2, March 3, April 4, May 5, June 6, July 7, August 8, September 9, October 10, November 11, December 12. So the first parameter of choose function should return some index. So this month function will return 12 index 1 to 12, and based on that we'll pick the values from list. We can specify 254 values here. We can specify 254 values here, but we need to have only just 12 because we know we have only in fourth quarters, and among month function returns numbers from 1 to 12. If I click OK, you can see it is returning as per the financial year. I just highlight it to make it more clear. These first three, if you see, this is I hide B column, control 0 to hide, or you can right click hide also. So if you see, this is what, fourth quarter of financial year, and this is first quarter of financial year. Okay, I just put different color for your reference. And this is second quarter of, sorry, this is second quarter of financial year, and this is the third quarter of financial year. Make sure that your dates are valid. If dates are invalid, this will not give you any result. So this is called extracting in quarters from a valid date. Either it is financial year or it is calendar year. I will show formula at a glance by saying control smart code is a shortcut to show formula. So I am showing formula to, just for your reference, this is formula for your glance. For your reference, you can see formula. To show formula, we go to formula tab, shortcut. I told you control smart code. This I am talking about. Control plus smart code. If you don't know this, no problem. This is a shortcut to display all formulas of current sheet. If you, this is control and smart code which comes below escape key. It's called a smart code in Excel, not single code. Single code is different. If you don't know shortcut, you can go to formula tab, and in formula tab we have right hand side show formula. This is show formula, this is show formula, one show result, it's toggle key, show formula. Shortcut for this is control smart code, show formula, show result. This is formula, and you can say show result, show values basically. So just I am showing you formula for your reference, so you can just see it. You can write down somewhere, you can take a screenshot, whatever you want. You can pause your video to see this basically. Now some people say, Rashid, fine, it's good. Can can we do something like writing this much long formula may not be suitable for all users. So rather than this long formula, can we write one function, like we do some like other function average or something? Can we write some one functions for all these things? Yes, you can. That is called add-ins. You need to add some add-ins. Either you write this long formula or you use some add-ins. So I don't want to write this long formula, suppose. So how to use some add-ins functions? You need to go to file, and in file we have options. Just how to add add-ins. So by adding add-ins we can do the same job very easily. So we go to file, options. In options we have one thing called add-ins. When you click on add-ins, this will come. Here I want to add some add-ins. Here we have go. You can see in the bottom side we have go in bottom part of this dialog box. In go we have one thing called browse. So I just say browse. Suppose I have downloaded that add-ins. These add-ins, this add-ins is not by default in your computer. You need to write some code, macro codes for this, or you can ask your colleague, those who knows macro can write for you, or you have to download from somewhere if you know some sites, websites. Here suppose I have downloaded it. I will go to desktop. In desktop my add-ins is name is retrieve quarter from date. Add-ins name may be anything. There's no fixed add-ins name for this. It can be any name. My Addins name is retrieve quarter from date. I just say okay. The moment you will not get yes no. If getting yes no, say just yes. This Addins is added in my system. Now any Excel file of this computer can use this Addins. Click OK. I want to show you, this is one way. Another way I am showing you, suppose I hide these two columns to avoid any confusions. How to hide? Control 0. Okay. Now I am writing here quarters. Suppose calendar year, CA. In short, I am writing calendar year. So now whenever you add add-ins, you'll there must be some kind of notes in that add-in, some help file, like these add-ins having these many functions. So the add-ins which I have added now, having two functions, I can just see by going to FX. When you click on FX, this is the these are the types of all function category. There we have one user defined category. Why it is coming now? Because we have added one add-ins. The moment you add add-ins, this user defined things category added in function list. In user defined category, we have two functions. These are called user defined functions. So CYQTR and FYQTR. So CYQTR stands for calendar year quarter. FYQTR stands for financial year quarters. Again, the name of function may be anything. It can be Rashid also, it can be Mars also, it can be your name also. There is no fixed name. It depends while writing macro codes which name you give there. That's it. So I just either I select from here, or I click either select from here, or I can type directly equal to, because I know function name now. So calendar year CA. CA, just a minute, I just go to FX, CY equal to CY, just like normal functions. This, enter. No need to write choose and so many conditional calculations, etc. See, same job is done, but just by writing one function called CYQTR. This makes our job very easy. Again, same way, I want to say quarters of financial year, suppose. Okay, I am writing function name is FYQTR. How come we know function name? I told you we need to go to FX. Once you add add-ins, you can go once to FX and user defined category. There you will get all user defined function name FYQTR. You can select from here. As well, you can type directly on cell like other functions. So FYQTR, open bracket, I click on this. Now see, I am getting financial year quarter just by using one function. But remember, you should know how to add add-ins. It's very simple. I just explained you. File, options, and here we have add-ins, and just we have go, one button called go, and you can say browse and select your add-ins. Add-ins are called, extension name of add-ins is XLAM. Excel files extensions are XLSX. Add-ins are XLAM. Next time, suppose you check off this add-ins. Suppose, even though if it is check on, no issue, will no harm. When you check off this, now this add-ins, once you check off, not available now. Next month or next week or next day, whenever you want to add this same add-ins, go to file and go to options and go to add-ins and go to go and just say check this, unless location is make sure that your location of this file is not moved. Just simply check it, no need to again browse it. So this how to check off add-ins and how to check on add-ins, but you'll have to browse once at the beginning. Once you have done browse, next time you can check off or check on. Even though if it is check off, not to worry, your function result is still there. Okay, is still there. So now how to get this add-ins? So I have already explained you both the ways. You can write choose functions also. So this is called, I just say unhide. So I can go to home tab also to unhide, format, and this is hide and hide. Just a minute. Format tab, hide and hide, unhide columns. So I have explained both the ways. One by using user defined functions. Let me to check on that. Add-ins. Just I can show you the formula. Just check on this. Click OK. So I have explained you both the ways. One without add-ins using Excel functions, and next how to use some add-ins to make it more simpler, but you should have this add-ins. If you want this add-ins, you can go to my website www.marstraining, or you can simply say www dot marstraining.in. In that we have one link called shop section. Here we have, if you want to download something from here, this download is absolutely free. Lot of stuff here, supporting material, lot of notes, shortcut key, and so many things. These are absolutely free. You can download from here, anyone. This website is fully secure, not to worry. This is add-in sections. So from this shop section you can download, and these all quarters add-ins. I think it is somewhere here, retrieving quarters from, but it is paid. Okay, and sometimes you get offers also. The purpose of this price not to make money. This is just the website maintenance and all. Time to time we give discount also, 30%, 40%, etc. So plenty of add-ins here. You can download from here. Entire supporting file there. If you download, how to use, how to add, everything is there. You get a zip file. You need to unzip. When you unzip, you get add-ins plus supporting files, how to add it, and what are the, how to use it, what are the function name inside it, basically. So anyway, it's up to you. I have explained you both the ways how to extract quarters using functions. Excel function, inbuilt functions, and also if you want to use simply by adding some add-ins, one functions, you can do that. You can do that also in front of you. Thank you very much for watching my video. You can, if you like this, you can refer to your friends. You can subscribe yourself in this channel. Please, if you find this relevant to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I keep on uploading a lot of videos at time to time. All informative videos you'll get here. Very shortly you will get more videos every week, 3-4 new videos. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thanks.